Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On my way back to the house. And you're probably like, why in the hell are you walking? Because ain't nobody picking me up. And I live like 2 minutes from the house. Work like 2 minutes from the house. So I'm not waiting on nobody. I'll walk. You serious? It's my last day before I have a day off too. Yeah, I'm walking. I'm not waiting for no damn ride. Because I told them I got off at 6. They knew what time I got off. But I'm not waiting for the ride. They got the car. I'm out. See you later. So guys, as you see, like I had said, I'm walking back. So this is our little local car wash, guys, as well as the little vacuum spot. One of them. We got like 2 of them out here. I think it's 2 or 3. Definitely 2. But this is the one we always go through. And you got your little nice little visual walks. Nice little, setup. This is the exit where you come out of the car wash, which is right there. Self-service car wash. You just put your card and your money in and you go in and it tells you what to do and then you come out that side. Now, I'm walking. Little woods and stuff. Hope no damn coyotes or nothing don't come out here. Oh, look at that little bit of water too, guys. So yeah, our town is literally surrounded with all kind of water. That's all you see is water. So we're gonna do a little walking tour. And these are the little houses on this street. A lot of pretty landscaping and stuff. Residential area. A little daycare on this street. Everybody's grasses and stuff so nicely kept. I figure since I'm gonna walk, why not get a video? Might as well get a nice little visual for you guys. What? You wasn't there?